one more video today, and this time is talking about the negatives only before talking about the negative, because negatives is no good, and I love this bike. I want to let you know that this bike has tons of positive, which I'm going to talk in another episode. Right now I will talk about the negatives, which are three main negatives. Let's get started.
Yeah.
First is the heat. This engine with this system here, the fan, the fan when you're in the city has one fan here. Cooler brings all the heat in my naked leg in the summer in the city. When I do enduro, I'm dressed, but when I'm in the city, I'm like this, so all the heat comes here. And there is the exhaust here, and there is a stepper. You step here. I don't know how to say in English. And the second passenger, you cannot handle staying here.
Yes,
you have to do this.
The heat here.
You have to do this. I'm watching the passenger not to be like this and do this.
Yes.
Sometimes even this.
Because of the heat.
Because of the heat, ladies and gentlemen. The third negative, which is positive for me, really positive. I have been talking in another episode about this, but since the video is about the negative, I must include this too. So the next negative is the soft suspension. This suspension is soft. It's not a joke. This becomes like 125 cc when you sit on it. Look. It's tall, and when I sit, it's small. But this has a setting here. Right now, the setting here, setting. Show them here inside. The red. Do you see one yellow line? Zoom there. Right now.
It's difficult of the sun.
Okay. Forget about it. Right
I
now,
can see.
Okay. Right now it's in the soft. Super soft.
Super soft.
Because I love it. This is being soft is a negative, and I love it because what can you do with a soft suspension? You protect your back here. First, you don't get tired. Second, you have a lower bike. Lower.
Okay, yes.
So I can use my legs. Oh, like this.
Move up and down so we can see. Okay.
I will drive it a little bit to see how soft it is. Because of this purpose, I do not tight it. I love it to be soft.
Okay.
Even though this is negative. And if I say it's negative, why I keep it soft? In the soft settings. And this is what I'm going to explain to you right now. I leave it like this because I do soft enduro. I'm going to the woods and I'm going to the very difficult terrain, very slow, using the second gear mainly, first and second. But if you are a pro rider and you like adrenaline to be out of the roof, this bike is good enough for you because the engine is strong and powerful. Then you need to switch to the not soft, the hard, not to be that soft. You can switch, but it's going to cost you something like $1,000 and more. It costs. Expect this before buying these three negative things, and subscribe to my channel for the next video, which is the positive things.
I have one question about the suspension.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Isn't I have seen into some motorcycles that they have a system so you can change the suspension.
The adventure bikes. When you put
The
extra-
adventure bikes.
Why? Why? Because let's say in the adventure bike I'm 90 kilo and I use it every day. But when I do a passenger trip and his stuff, all the stuff, I'm not 90 kilo anymore, I'm 180.
I
Changes
got it.
completely the story of what it carries. And this time comes the setting. You have to do settings. But these bikes, today I'm 90 kilo, tomorrow I'm going to be 90 kilo again. And I'm going to ride this as well. And not having crazy thing. And because you stayed here until this time and we are in a negative things about CRF300L, I forgot to tell you the fourth thing and
Okay.
important. If you, ladies and gentlemen, want to go with your friend or girlfriend or partner or whatever this bike is not for that.
Yes.
Completely is not for that. It's terrible to have a second person here. No good idea. Unless you want to give to somebody a lift. Take me until there, then it's good. You don't go trip with two people. Your bike is going to
To
complain.
hurt, yes.
Complain.
Complain.
Complains. And you know how it complains? It will give you pain. Cannot speak your bag, but can give you pain. It's better if the bag could speak, come on now, and not giving a pain. It's going to give you pain. Okay, thank you very much. Here is Greece in a wonderful day, as always, 44 degrees today.
Summer in Greece.
Under the sun for you guys, so please respect at least that I do this under
Your effort.
my effort.
Okay.
My regards to United States. I love you guys very much. I always visit United States and going to Florida, New York, everywhere. And I know you guys love this. That's why I'm talking about dollars, not euro, because I know you guys are watching. Oh yeah.